Welcome to Jacksonville State University's South Complex, home to the College of Health Professions and Wellness. Inside this state-of-the-art facility, students in athletic training, nursing, and respiratory therapy gain the hands-on experience and real-world skills needed to thrive in today's healthcare environments. Let's take a closer look at each program. Athletic training. Our Master's in Athletic Training program is a 2-year, 6-semester program totaling 59 credit hours. Our motto is, "You matter, go master it." Students in this program gain a strong foundation through evidence-based practice, interprofessional encounters, and patient-centered care, all in a variety of clinical settings both locally and nationally. Highlights of the program include a brand new state-of-the-art facility equipped with advanced technology and innovative learning spaces. 5 clinical experiences, including 2 immersive rotations that replicate the day-to-day responsibilities of athletic trainers. Opportunities to advocate for the profession at the local, state, and national levels. And preparation to sit for the Board of Certification examination in the final semester. Our mission is simple: to produce leaders in athletic training who are ready to provide evidence-based, patient-centered care in their communities. Nursing. Next, we step into the School of Nursing's Skills Lab and Simulation Center, also located in the South Complex. This high-tech environment is designed to prepare students for real-world nursing challenges. The Nursing Skills Lab features hospital beds, mid-fidelity simulators, and all the essential tools for mastering core nursing techniques like wound care, IV insertions, and medication administration. Our Simulation Center takes learning even further. High-fidelity simulators replicate hospital environments, responding like real patients as students work together to assess, diagnose, and provide care. Behind the scenes, instructors guide scenarios in real time, creating unexpected challenges that prepare students for high-pressure decision-making. After each simulation, students gather in our debriefing room to reflect on their performance and sharpen their critical thinking skills. This combination of practice, simulation, and reflection ensures graduates leave Jack State ready to care for anyone, anytime, anywhere. Respiratory therapy. The Department of Respiratory Therapy also calls the South Complex home. Our traditional, or entry into practice program, prepares new students to enter the field. This 5-semester program is accredited by the Commission on Accreditation for Respiratory Care. Graduates are eligible to sit for both the certified and registered respiratory therapist exams. Students gain knowledge in the classroom, practice skills in our advanced lab, and complete clinical rotations at healthcare facilities across the region, training side by side with licensed respiratory therapists. At Jacksonville State University, the South Complex serves as a hub for innovation in healthcare education. By combining classroom instruction, hands-on practice, and immersive clinical experiences, our athletic training, nursing, and respiratory therapy programs prepare students to succeed in one of the world's fastest-growing fields, healthcare. To learn more, visit our website or connect with us on Facebook and Instagram. We look forward to welcoming you to the friendliest campus in the South.